Gently exfoliates. This Eucerin foot care cream moisturizes, gently exfoliates, and repairs very dry skin on feet. Moisturizing Formula. This moisturizing foot cream is formulated with ceramide-3 and natural moisturizing factors to help repair skin's moisture barrier. Fast absorbing. Eucerin Advanced Repair foot cream for dry feet is non-greasy and fast absorbing. Free of. This foot cream is paraben-free, fragrance-free, dye-free, and is gentle enough for sensitive skin. Includes 3 3-ounce tubes of Eucerin Advanced Repair foot cream. Eucerin Advanced Repair foot cream is specifically designed for feet, and gives dry to very dry feet the intense moisturization they need to be soft and smooth. This moisture-rich unscented foot cream provides long-lasting hydration. Eucerin Advanced Repair foot cream is formulated with ceramides to help strengthen the skin's moisture barrier to lock in moisture. It is also formulated with natural moisturizing factors, amino acids that are naturally found in the skin, to boost moisture and help prevent dryness. Top reviews from the United States. Soft hands, fragrance-free, convenient size. Pack of 3. 1 for the car, 1 for the bedside and 1 for my desktop. My hand skin gets dry from a lot if soap and water. These size tubes are perfect for home and in the GI. The cream has no heavy odors and keeps my hands soft and appears to diminish the look of lines. I owe this on at night while watching TV a couple of times a week as sort of a mask effect, and it really softens my hands nicely.